Scrolling social media is a volume game. For a business, high content volume only matters if it converts to direct sales. Polished horizontal 16:9 ads that perform in other placements often fail to capture attention in a vertical feed. Prioritizing platform-native agility allows you to respond to the feed faster and drive more revenue. This is where the attention is moving. Users now spend more than half of their time on Instagram watching Reels. This diagram compares standard campaigns against those that include Reels. Adding the placement increased page visits by 97% and purchases by 90%. Realizing these gains requires planning for the unique requirements of the vertical first feed. Knowing which format to start with is difficult when you have limited production time. By mapping 4 specific storyboards to your current resources, you can start executing today. Before choosing a storyboard, every reel must meet basic platform requirements to be eligible for optimal delivery. The first requirement is a strict crop to the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. This interface shows the second requirement, keeping essential text and visuals out of the bottom 35% of the screen. Native UI elements sit in this bottom zone. If your call to action overlaps with them, it becomes unreadable. 9:16 ads that respect these safe zones see a 34.5% lower cost per result than standard images. Compliance with these technical standards is a prerequisite for efficient ad spend. For e-commerce brands with physical goods, the first option is the seamless backdrop storyboard. You isolate the product using a continuous paper background and film several short dynamic clips. This creates a cohesive environment that keeps the viewer's focus on product details. You'll need to manage lighting and basic multi-clip editing to make this work. The second path for physical inventory is the lo-fi unboxing. You film a smartphone reveal of a product bundle, showing exactly what arrives in the mail. This format builds anticipation and demonstrates the scale of a multi-item package in an authentic way. You trade studio polish for relatable, low production value. Both formats prioritize showing the product's utility over lifestyle aesthetics. If the product's value is found in its physical details, a dedicated shoot is a necessary investment. Brands with existing photos and limited shoot time should use the AI repurposing storyboard. You can take standard landscape photos, like this mountain biker, and use Meta's AI expansion tools to convert them to vertical. The AI cutout tool removes backgrounds instantly, isolating the subject so it can be layered over vertical graphics. This allows for immediate deployment without new filming. Since the assets are static, you must use energetic audio and fast transitions to maintain engagement. For high-consideration products, the final storyboard is the team intro. This is a 3-part Q&A covering the introduction, key product details, and the final selling point. Cautionary: to prevent drop-off, the person on camera needs to be clear and engaging within the first 3 seconds. AI formatting scales your existing library, while team intros build human trust. Selecting the right format means matching your strategy to your available resources. This quadrant chart maps resource intensity against conversion speed. If you have no camera setup and need to test immediately, use the AI repurposing strategy. Brands demonstrating bundled physical value should focus on lo-fi unboxings. Luxury products with intricate details justify the controlled environment of a seamless backdrop. Complex services relying on expertise perform best with a team intro. These 4 paths prioritize product-centric content over the pressure to go viral. Placing the product front and center while following safe zone rules drives the best sales results. Continuing to use non-compliant horizontal video results in higher costs and lower delivery. Review your current assets, select the storyboard that fits your capacity, and start production.